Hello, welcome to Med School. Our today's topic is Mission Indradhanush. We need to know about the programs formed by government on vaccination. If you like, you can share and subscribe. So what is Mission Indradhanush? So the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Government of India launched Mission Indradhanush in December 2014 as a special drive to vaccinate all unvaccinated and partially vaccinated children under UIP, which was previously operated in India. So what is the objective of Mission Indradhanush? So the objective was to more than 90% immunization coverage across all selected districts, and another important thing is more than 7 visits till age 5 years of a child. If we talk more about objectives, the next one is generating a high demand of immunization service by addressing communication challenges. Okay, so the next one is enhancing political, administrative and financial commitment advocacy with key stakeholders. And the last one is assuring that the unvaccinated and partially vaccinated children are fully immunized as per the national immunization schedule. So the last question is, what are the vaccine included in Mission Indradhanush? So the answer is there are 7 VPDs, means 7 vaccine preventable diseases whose vaccines are added in this Mission Indradhanush. Okay, and these are BCG, OPV, measles, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus and hepatitis B. Okay, so this is the logo of Mission Indradhanush. Now come to the intensified Mission Indradhanush, which is launched in 2017. So why we need intensified Mission Indradhanush? We needed this because to ensure reaching the unreached with all available vaccines and thereby accelerating the full immunization and complete immunization coverage of children and pregnant women in the identified critical districts and sustain the gain. This is the main reason we started intensified Mission Indradhanush. So if we see the objective of intensified Mission Indradhanush, the first one is rapidly build up full immunization coverage to more than 90% by December 2018 in identified districts and urban cities. Okay, now the second one is enhance political, administrative and financial commitment through advocacy with key ministries and departments and stakeholders through full immunization coverage for each child. Okay. The third one is reach all the children with all UIP vaccine due for the age as per the national immunization schedule in the geographic area with focus on children up to 2 years of age and pregnant women. However, vaccination will be provided to children up to 5 years of age. Okay. And the last one is sustain the gain made through the intensified Mission Indradhanush through routine immunization by using IT platform. Okay, IT based platform for further planning and follow-up. So currently we are using intensified Mission Indradhanush 4.0. This means there are more than 3 different rounds and more than 90% coverage of vaccination, and total district we are covering in intensified Mission Indradhanush 4.0 is 413. Okay. This is all about intensified Mission Indradhanush and Mission Indradhanush. Thank you for watching. In upcoming lecture, we will be studying about particular vaccines. Okay.